Hi everyone, welcome back. Here I'll be making Tsom, lentils, Ades. I'll be making the orange Ades. I don't use that much berbera, so my son could eat as well. So I used about 3 cups of Ades, and make sure to wash it well, like 5 waters, And then here I use about 1.5 onions, minced it well, and make sure it was little like golden brown with little oil. And on the other pot, as you see, I boiled the lentils by itself, so it could become a yellow color, so it'll be easier to cook once transferred to the other pot where I'm gonna put spices, berber. Just gotta check it one more time, make sure it's really boiled. And then I put like 2 tablespoons of powdered berbera. And now I'm gonna transfer the boiled lentils. As you can see, it became yellow. I'm gonna transfer and mix it together. Oh yeah, and I also used 1 can of tomato paste as well. So I'm just gonna gather it, mix it well together where all the berbera, the spice could touch it evenly when I mix. And by the way, this is another Dutch oven pot. It's so wonderful to use. I love the taste of the food. Thanks, girl. Okay, let's get back. Just make sure I'm mixing it well. And here I will put minced garlic. I used 3 big pieces. And then I'm gonna use, well, this is like bagamika, like how I decide to put the salt. So let's just say teaspoon, like 1.5 teaspoon. And cumin. I love cumin in all my foods. Same, 1.5 teaspoon. And even though I put fresh minced garlic, I like using garlic powder. Same as well, 1.5 teaspoon. Let it all touch evenly. Wow. Now it became a beautiful color, like a dark orange to red. That's the color I was hoping for. And FYI, there's so many ways of making Ades. There's so many colors. Well, when I say so many, like there's an orange, there's a red, and there's like, you can make brown Ades, you can make plain yellow Ades. Like when I say Ades, I mean lentils. But I advise you guys to get a Dutch oven because it tastes so good, the food. It's the best money's worth. And ooh la la, there you go. Tsom